Guess who is off the market? JustinDean, Korra Obidi's ex-husband. He posted it on his Instagram page yesterday. As I'm about I said, let me kukuma enter inside our wife's page. Now I see how beautiful she is. I did not see any different by her and Korra Obidi. It's same thing, same showcasing of body, same pattern of dressing, same everything. I was like, I be think say if you don't like something, when you're about to get in something again, you should not go for that same thing. You know, some were saying he still misses Korra. That's why he got someone exactly like her. The only difference between Korra Obidi and this guy is that this guy is a model. Yes, and Korra Obidi is a musician and a dancer. But I don't see any different. Nigerians were like saying, why you come jump from frying pan to inside the oko? Which kind of life be this one? A lot of people were bashing him. See comments now. A lot of comments. I kukuma trust our Nigerians. They too get mouth. Look at comments now. Comment plenty. I just say let me bring out this one, but comment plenty. A lot of dragging, a lot of bashing. I say Justin, wahala. Anyway, I wish them all the best. I wish them all the best. Their marriage will work. Amen. It will work. Amen. It will work. Amen. Hey, wow. Now the news be this. I say let me kukuma share. You know say for this channel no benge news that they carry come undiluted. As them they cook am na so they carry come give una. No say now me but get why I be now. Alright, my people. Bye.